Once upon a time, in a quiet corner of little Sally's room stood an assortment of cardboard boxes, collected from various family purchases. To any visitor, these appeared to be ready for the recycling bin, but to 5-year-old Sally, they were portals to distant worlds waiting to be explored. One rainy Saturday afternoon, confined indoors, Sally felt the tickle of adventure tickle her imagination. She selected the largest box, a massive square from her father's new lawnmower, and transformed it with crayons and markers into a spaceship labeled SS Adventure. Captain Sally ready for takeoff, she announced to her teddy bear co-pilot, Theo, and her cat, Mr. Whiskerson, who blinked sleepily from the corner. Sally placed inside the spaceship her favorite book about planets and stars, a flashlight for space beams, and some cookies wrapped in a napkin for space food. Initiating launch sequence, Sally counted down dramatically. 3, 2, 1, blast off. With each blast off, Sally shook the box back and forth. The living room transformed into a dark expanse of space spotted with stars, as the flashlight's light danced on the walls. Their first stop was the moon. Sally donned her astronaut helmet, a retired bike helmet adorned with more of her artiste sea flair, and explored the craggy surface, marked by the piles of pillows. Mr. Whiskerson, promoted to space alien, joined the mission and both enjoyed a short picnic on the lunar surface. Next, they hurtled through asteroids made from scattered socks and landed on Mars, where they discovered alien life in the form of her sock puppet, Marvin the Martian, who gladly shared a cookie. Hours passed as the cardboard box voyaged through galaxies of vibrant planets and met more aliens, but all space adventurers must return home. As dinner time approached, Captain Sally steered her ship back to Earth, her heart brimming with the joy of interstellar journeys. And so, the cardboard box returned to being just a box in the corner of Sally's room, waiting for the next rainy day to transform once again into a vessel of boundless adventure.